Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a couple of, well, I have a single slippers, a set of slippers. So we're going to try these things on and see how they are. They're supposed to be super comfortable, wear around the house or whatever. This would be great for just when I want to go down and get the mail or something small or close. And this is how it fits on my shoes. Let's put you down here so you can see what I'm talking about. So this is how it fits on my feet. I got a size like 8, I think is about what I wear. Shoes. I have small feet, but these are super comfortable. Oh wow, these are soft, and they're really soft inside and really comfortable. Great to just kind of wear little house shoes, but they do have some tread on the bottom, so I could wear them out. But they are comfortable. They are nice slippers. Let me show you guys what they look like here. They've got a little pull handle kind of thing on the back here, that, and then on the inside, it's got a lot of fuzzy stuff, and it does have some support there, so it does have a little bit of bounce. I don't think it really has an arch necessarily. Oh, I got 42, 43, so whatever that means in regular sizes. So that's what it looks like there. Super comfortable. I like them. Thumbs up.